Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best makeup remover wipes for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Face Wipes. Remove makeup in one easy step with Neutrogena Makeup Remover Face Wipes. These soft and gentle pre-moistened facial cleansing towelettes effectively dissolve all traces of dirt, oil and makeup, even waterproof mascara, for clean, fresh-looking skin every day. Our makeup remover features an effective micellar-infused, triple emollient formula that leaves skin feeling refreshed, nourished, conditioned and thoroughly clean with no heavy residue. These facial towelettes also remove sweat, sunscreen, and pollution from skin with no need to rinse after use. These daily face wipes are formulated to be gentle on the sensitive eye area. The makeup-removing wet wipes are formulated without phthalate, parabens, sulfates, alcohols, soaps, or dyes and are ophthalmologist, dermatologist, and allergy tested. Designed with the earth in mind, the compostable wipes are made with 100% plant-based fibers and biodegrade in 35 days in home compost. At number 4, Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Makeup Remover Face Wipes. Remove makeup and nourish skin in one step with Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Makeup Removing Wipes. Designed with the earth in mind, these 100% plant-based fragrance-free facial cloths from a dermatologist-recommended brand effortlessly remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara, without leaving skin feeling stripped. In fact, 92% of testers said the soothing cleansing cloths felt gentle on their skin. Formulated with oat extract and calming feverfew, the pre-moistened, disposable face wipes are hypoallergenic, ophthalmologist-tested, free of parabens, alcohol, dye, sulfates, and phthalate. Once daily, gently wipe the cleansing cloths over face, eyes, lips, and neck. No need to rinse, and dispose wipe in trash receptacle. For a complete at-home self-care routine that helps leave skin healthy looking, try other Aveeno Calm Plus Restore products. At number 3, Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Face Wipes. Developed with dermatologists, CeraVe Hydrating Makeup Removing Plant-Based Wipes cleanses and removes makeup, even waterproof makeup, without disrupting the protective skin barrier. The pH-balanced and gentle formula is also alcohol-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic so it will not clog your pores. The hydrating formula contains glycerin and 3 essential ceramides, 1,3,6-II, to lock in moisture and to help maintain the protective skin barrier. The 100% plant-based wipes are ultra-gentle on skin, the eye area, and lashes and are biodegradable in home compost. The National Eczema Association Seal of Acceptance only accepts products that have satisfied the criteria for use for those with eczema or sensitive skin conditions. At number 2, Olay Cleanse Makeup Remover Wipes. Wipe your skin clean with the power of Olay Makeup Remover Cloths. Ideal for everyday use, these soft cloths clear your face of makeup, dirt and oil, even waterproof mascara. Use these wipes around your eyes, face and neck. These fragrance-free wipes won't clog pores or leave any greasy residue, leaving skin clean and feeling fresh. For daily use, on the go and travel, feel flawless and confident every day with Olay's Makeup Remover Facial Wipes. Makeup Remover Wet Cloths. Ideal for everyday use, these soft cloths gently clear your face of dirt, oil and makeup in one easy step. Resealable packets are perfect for travel and on-the-go cleansing. Use to prepare skin for your Olay treatments and moisturizers. Discover the most recommended makeup remover by makeup artists, preferred by GLAMSQUAD. GLAMSQUAD is a team of experienced professionals that are expertly trained and undergo extensive education to guarantee high-quality results. Finally at number 1, Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Removing Face Wipes. Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Removing Wipes effortlessly remove waterproof and long-wear makeup, whether at home, after exercising or while traveling. They effectively cleanse the skin without leaving behind a residue, to leave your skin feeling refreshed. These convenient and ultra-gentle wipes effectively lift off makeup from all over your face, including the eye area. Formulated with aloe and botanicals, chamomile and green tea, the skin feels soothed during and after use. Cetaphil face cleansing wipes are ultra-soft so that they are gentle on sensitive skin. The mild, fragrance-free formula is non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, clinically tested to be non-irritating for even the most sensitive skin. Start your skincare routine with Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Removing Wipes to remove all types of makeup, including long-wear and waterproof makeup. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.